Hey guys, welcome to a new video by TikTok Game God, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to make a simple program in Python for the number guessing game. So I will be showing you how to do this in an easy and effective way, and it's totally beginner friendly, and it's all based on the concepts you've already learned. Okay, so in this game, it will be played by the user, and in the next video, I will be showing you how to do a more complex version of this in which the computer will guess the number you're thinking of. Alright, so to keep things simple, we're going to keep it from 1 to 10, and we'll be using while loops for this and the random module. Alright, so let's get started. And before that, I'll tell you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my new videos, and give this video a like. Alright, so I have started by importing the random module here. So the random module will help generate a random number from any given range of numbers. And after that, I have printed welcome, what's your name, and I'm going to take the name of the user as a string. It's an input, and after that I'm going to print hi with the name and guess a number I'm thinking from 1 to 10, and if you win if you get it right. Alright, and after that I have defined two important variables here, the number. So the number is the random. So it's a random integer generated from 1 to 10, and we'll be using the randoms function of the random module to do this. And what this will do is it will just generate a random number from 1 to 10, and it will store it inside this variable. Alright, and I'm also going to define another new variable, tries. So this is the number of tries the user is allowed, so I'll keep it as 0. We'll keep adding 1 to 0 each time the user guesses the number, and when it reaches 5, we'll say that the user wins or loses. Okay, alright, and after that I will just stop my while loop here. Okay, and while the tries, okay, so while the number of tries is lesser than 5. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we have to run the bit of code inside the while loop for each time, till when the tries variable is lesser than 5. When the tries variable reaches 5, then the while loop will stop. Alright, while tries is greater than 5, what I'm going to do before that is I'm just gonna type here print start guessing. Alright, so that's some kind of text I've put over there before the while loop. And after the while loop starts, I'm going to take the input from the user. I'll call that guess. Okay, so guess is going to be an integer from 1 to 10. Okay, so integer input, and yes, so it's an integer input, and I'll just put a caption here. Type your guess here. Alright, so the user has to type his guess number here. Alright, and after that I am going to, what I'm going to do here is, I'm also going to increase the value of tries by 1. Alright, so tries equals tries plus 1. Alright, so each time the guess is taken, the tries will be increased by 1. And when it reaches 5, the while loop will stop. Alright, so now I'm going to pass in 3 if conditions over here for 3 different occurrences. So the first one is if the guess is smaller than the correct number. Then we have to print wrong. Your guess is smaller than the correct number. Alright, and I'll just copy paste that. And here's our second condition. If the guess is greater than the correct number, then we have to print your guess is greater than the correct number. Alright, and the final occurrence here, the final condition here is if the guess is equal to number. If the guess is equal to the correct number, then we have to break the loop. Okay, so break is a statement over here which will discontinue the loop if this condition is met. Alright, after that I'll come out of my loop and I will pass in another if statement out of the loop. So if the guess equals the number. So if the guess equals the number, and we have to print correct. Okay, just telling you guys, please don't include this inside your while loop. It should be outside of the while loop. Alright, so print correct and you win. And after that, I am going to print the correct number is number. And after that, I'm also going to print you won in these number of tries. So I'll go for the tries variable there. So these many tries. Well done. Alright, and then I'm going to exit my program with the exit command here. Alright, so this will happen if the guess equals the number. Else, I'll add an else statement. So this else statement, this else condition will say if anything else happens, the user does not guess the number correctly within 5 tries, then we have to print you lose. The correct number was the number. I'll just copy paste that. And after that, I am going to exit the program. Alright, this was really simple, just a few lines of code here, and we get this. I can just run that. I'll save that here. Alright, so I'm gonna save that. Alright, so welcome, what's your name? I will type my name, Vishwa. And after that, it says hi. Then guess a number I'm thinking from 1 to 10. You win if you get it right. Alright, so my guess is gonna be 6. Okay, it's wrong. I expected that to be because there's a 10% probability of me winning in my first chance. Alright, so it's smaller than the correct number. Then is it 8? Oh, it should be 9 or 10 then. Okay, 10, and I win. Alright, so it was amazing. I'll try that again. Okay, my name is, I'll type something else. Blah blah. Alright, my guess is now gonna be 5, right in the middle. Okay, again smaller. I'll go for 6, no, 7. Ah, okay, so it's between 5 and 7, so it's gonna be 6. Alright, so this is really interesting, and I had a lot of fun playing the game, and yes, hope you liked it. Have a good day and goodbye, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Have a good day, goodbye, and please ask me any doubts in the comment section below. Goodbye.